Hey guys, welcome to Bonus View Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about why you need to install Tesla Model 3 View Spaces with Hub Sentry. Let's go. Hub Sentry spaces are designed to help wheels stay centered on the vehicle. Most original required wheels are Hub Sentry. The center hole of these wheels is perfectly fitting the wheel hub assembly. Hub Sentry wheels can be properly mounted and accurately balanced, but most aftermarket wheels are actually lug Sentry. For this reason, we recommend the use of Hub Sentry spacers or Hub Sentry rings. Bonus View Spaces has a multi-stage Hub Sentry design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub Sentry design of Bonus makes the installation more fitting and safer. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.